by this representation, sponsored by Honorable Nielito Tupas, co-sponsored by Carol D. Espinosa, and Honorable June Mondifar.
Okay, for third and final reading, those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. All members present. Yeah, sorry, Attorney Psycho. For those who are in favor.
It appears, Your Honor, that all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
With all members voting in favor of the ordinance, Provincial Ordinance number 2022, on the first ordinance of the year, -265, an ordinance declaring January 22 of every year as Oscar Oca Garin Day in the 1st District of Iloilo, authored by Honorable Marcel Valentin Serrat, sponsored by Honorable Nielito Tupas, Honorable Carol V. Espinosa Diaz, and Honorable June Mondihar, is now approved on the third and final reading. Congratulations.